Salesforce has introduced Einstein GPT, which is world's first generative AI engine for sales, CRM, and marketing. Salesforce is saying that this is going to change the way they conduct their whole operations. This Einstein GPT is going to supercharge productivity for any sales professional. It is going to deliver personalized experience, which will be tailoring every customer interaction with AI generated emails, conversations, and it will be offering built on your real time data. You will be able to do your work faster and with more certainty and quality because the whole AI will be embedded in your flow of work. You can innovate with clicks and not code. So you can create new experiences easily with low code tools to build custom predictions and recommendations, and you don't need any data scientist. So as I mentioned earlier, that this Einstein is not only for sales, but it is also for service. When we say service, it means that it can boost agent productivity, it can personalize every customer interaction with built-in AI, and it can scale service across every channel with Einstein bots. You can also use it for marketing, which means that it can be used in personalized engagement, growing relationship, and revenue with real-time insight. You can also orchestrate intelligent journeys and make timely recommendations. If you want to try it out, you need to go to Salesforce website and then go to their product section and I'll show you. So this is their website where you can learn more about this Einstein GPT. One thing I found out that this website is still very clunky, and when you click on watch demo button, it doesn't go anywhere. Plus the layout also seems way off. I have tried it out in Chrome browser, also in Firefox, but same. I believe that they should at least use Einstein or some similar tool to fix their website first. But all in all, I believe quite a niche tool and it is going to compete with the similar tools like I showed you Air AI in my previous video. I hope that you like the content and as soon as I get access to the demo, I'm going to create another video showing you how it works. Thanks and please consider subscribing to the channel.